brushing teeth. Brush, brush, morning and night. Keep your teeth shiny and bright. Up and down, then all around. A healthy smile is what you found. To sharing with friends. Share your toys, don't be shy. Happiness doubles when you try. Give a little, give a lot. Kindness is the best gift we've got. Free washing hands. Rub your hands front and back. Sing a song, don't skip a track. Soap and water bubble so bright. Keep germs away day and night. For tidying up. Pick up toys, put them away. Make your room neat every day. Clean up, it's lots of fun. A tidy room is second to none. 5 healthy eating. Fruits and veggies, bright and sweet. Give your body a healthy treat. Crunchy carrots, apples too. Eating well is good for you.